So, this is the second episode, and as you can see, I'm already on the page to look at classic cars, and today we're looking at the 1995 Rover Metro. That's the one I'm going to look at first. You really don't see many of these about. They were actually meant to be my first car. Yeah, my mum didn't follow through with that one. But I actually wish I did have one of these. These are lovely cars, to be honest. I'm not a fan of Rover or MG only way, but the Rover Metro I do have a soft spot for. Ooh. I do like that. Oh, how many miles on the clock? It has done 376,000 miles, I think. Put in the comments if I'm wrong. That's good, there's all the logbook there. That's actually not bad, it's got the logbook straight off the bat. If anyone's looking for this car, one of these cars, that might not be the worst one to get. Oh well, you might not be able to because it's only got 17 hours, which just will not be released in 17 hours. So, but yeah. I mean, obviously, I'm not looking at the description. That's up to you, I suppose. But I mean, looks in good condition. The logbook, I think normally means it's pretty a good deal. Oh, another Metro there, but this time under the Austin. But yes, we're going to look at this. It's caught my eye. The Peugeot 205 on an N-Reg. I like the colour. Oh yes. That is a nice car. I'm actually a fan of these. I love the 205, the 105s, the 305s. Yeah, I like the sort of sportier Peugeots. That's, you know, the classic ones. Not many photos though. Oh, it says project, spares or repairs. But, I mean, yeah, if you're looking for a wee project car, probably not bad. Hopefully you could actually get this on the road, because I would love to see it back on the road officially. So yeah, that's a nice car. Wow. We don't see many of them. That's a Buick. I would assume that's an import then. Starting price 15,000 or buy it now for 16,000. I don't know how much these cars go for. I don't have the American cars, so I'm not very knowledgeable on that. Well, if you're in Petersburg, there's definitely an easy pickup for you. the year 1949. Wow. I did kind of guess that it was almost a 50. I thought it was probably a 50s car, but yeah. No, it's a nice car, that. Okay. I've just found my next car I want to look at. And it's this. The Land Rover Defender. I'm not sure. I think it said Series 3. Yeah, who doesn't like a good old Land Rover? These are definitely... I want the... If I had the money and I could drive, I would love the Defender and Discovery. I'd probably have umpteen of each of them as well. I just love these cars. I really, really do. Yeah, that's a nice car. £6,000 as well. 1973, so not the oldest, because I think they're well, it wouldn't be, because it does say it in the name, doesn't it? It's Series 3, but yeah, I love them. Okay, this has caught my eye. I'd like you in the comments to help me on this one. It says an Audi B2 Coupe. Now, I mean, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. To me, that looks like an Audi Quattro. Don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Someone in the comments maybe help me out here, because I'm confused. It's on an E-plane. Ooh. She's definitely a spares or repairs girl. No engine, so that's definitely the case. It's not great, is it? Ooh. Well, it's definitely one for you guys in the comments. Tell me if she's worth that or not, because I don't know. But I do love these. And if I am right in saying it's an Audi Quattro, I love them. From what I've heard, they are amazing cars. And I mean, they're a rally car, and I love rally cars. So, yeah. Okay, some of you might not see this as a classic. You've just seen what I've clicked on. It's a Volvo. I love these cars. My mum had quite a few when I was a kid, and I don't know what it is about Volvos, but I love them. I really do. The 340. Ooh. Oh, You see, I don't know what it is about a Volvo, but even the interiors are, I don't know, there's something about them. Ooh, quite a few lights there. Okay. I don't know how much these cars are worth. I mean, it's got 8 beds, but £1,150 almost. Don't know. Seems a bit steep. Hey, I don't really know what I'm saying when it comes to cars, when it comes to pricing. Oh, I've just found the car. The car we're finishing with. It is the Mercedes SL. Is it the SL? I think it is the SL. Well, 450 SL, but I wasn't wrong really. Oh. Oh guys, that is, I like the interior, that all red interior. Sorry if you heard my belly rumble there. She's a nice car. I think that's showing us, yeah, it's showing us the same photos. 12, oh, 12 grand. Let me know in the comments if that is the going price, but 1975. Wow, there we go. That's the end of this episode. If you did like this video, please do press the subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna leave that in as a blooper anyway. Anyway, if you did like this video, press the like button. Maybe while you're down there, consider subscribing, because I am going to do more videos like this. This is the second episode, and I just want to keep looking at cars, and it's not like I'm also logging this so I can come back and see these cars, because eventually, I mean, it's eBay, so you never know when these cars are going to be up for sale. You might not see them in such a long time, but that's why I've done it this way, because I get to see some classics, and some I might not generally get to see in a very, very long time. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next.